Just listening to some music and hanging out with the family. My family is currently a pack of 11 dogs, weigh between 4 pounds and 15 pounds. It's a nice one to spend with you. This one is Emma. She's a 4-pound. Also. This here is Zebo. He looks a lot like Bree. They're two of kind. Only two in the world. This is Gina. She's a beautiful little dog. Y'all trying to be in the movie? This is Olga May. Yeah. She's the mommy dog about these puppies. Yeah, she's a good dog. So, where's Gilligan? Where's he Gilligan? Becky, where's the rest of them dogs? I guess you're good enough dogs. Yeah. Sometimes I sell or rehome some of my dogs. And people come in here to my home and tell me first that my dogs aren't worth buying, and then that they have to have one. I think it's stupid, like, what difference does it make which dog I take? These dogs have their own personality, and under circumstances I could see 4 or 5 of the 11 I might give up. But here comes Gilligan. Come here, Gilligan. Oh, Gilligan's a good dog. Oh, he's the daddy dog. How you doing, Gilligan? So anyways, we're just having a quiet evening at home. And the reasons I might be wanting up a dog probably aren't too clear to most people. They're probably not too clear to me. But believe it or not, I think a lot of these dogs that go to May, I could never give her up. Because she is so bonded to me. She'd be mad at me forever. Yeah, she's a good dog. Alex hasn't been in the movie yet. What's this one do? This is Zebo. Did we see Zebo yet? Oh, look at this. He's looking great up here. How you doing, Zebo? He's a good little dog. Yeah. You know who Gina? He's the little dog. So it doesn't really irritate me so much that people come and ask me for free or cheaper dogs. That was part of the plan and design, was to make dogs that people could afford. What irritates me is when they come in here and tell me that they can help me find a good home for the dogs. Because it seems to me dogs already have a good